don't believe a home can be open, calm and functional all at once? Then you want to check out this beautifully reimagined 3-room HDB Maisonette right here in Jurong West. This project was redesigned in 4 months to reflect exactly how this young family wanted to live. They had 3 simple but powerful goals: an open space for entertaining, a calm private retreat to unwind, and a practical workspace for their 3 kids. But the original layout didn't come close. There were walls breaking up flow, awkward transitions between spaces, and underutilized zones everywhere. This renovation wasn't about flash, it was about flow, making the space feel cohesive, flexible, and personalized. Let's find out exactly how the interior designers managed to achieve that, and stick around to the end to find out the total makeover cost. Today, we have the designer from Learn Interior Affairs in charge of this project, Tai Ying, to bring us through the beautifully transformed HDB Maisonette. Hi Tai Ying, nice to meet you.
Hi Rachel, nice to meet you.
Let's start off with this entryway design. I heard that the original layout was a bit boxed in and narrow. Is that true? Because now there's so much breathing space.
Yep, that's true. The original main door used to be set further in, so the entryway felt very tight and boxy. To create a proper transition into the rest of the house, we pushed the main door outwards to elongate the entryway and built a divider to demarcate the space. That gave us more wall space for the full height cabinet that make the entry zone feel more open and intentional. So we redefined it as a mini pause point using clean lines and built in to guide us through the home orders.
I also love this recess shoe area over here, it's super practical.
Exactly, the family needed a spot to store their shoes without cluttering the entryway. By recessing the space into the cabinetry, it keeps everything neat and accessible while maintaining a clean, open look at the entrance.
That's really thoughtful. There are so many subtle details, like this niche with vertical lighting accent that instantly elevates this entryway. And I love how this curved divider softens the transition into the rest of the home. I'm excited to see the other main living areas, shall we?
Let's do it. My other designer will take you through the dining area. Hi Vincent!
Hi.
This is Vincent, my partner in crime behind this project.
Hello, Rachel.
Hi Vincent!
Hi.
Wow, this space feels so open and welcoming. It's perfect for gatherings.
Yes, actually this is exactly our intention when we design this place. This dining area, right, we actually designed with the intention to host. The round table comfortably sits 6 and there's enough space to fit 8 when needed without feeling cramped. Behind it, you have got full height carpentry for hidden storage, balanced with open shelves that bring in warmth and texture. The dark wood backing and soft lighting help it feel more like a style display than just a storage wall. There's even a wine chiller built right in, so everything you need for entertaining is just within reach.
I actually love how this curve features really ties in with the curve features near the entryway. It makes the entire design very cohesive.
For staircase, right, it's not just functional. This staircase is so big in the middle, right, we add as an anchor, design anchor of the house with like rounder and curved edges.
And also we make good use of the space underneath the staircase, which is often wasted. We turn it into a mini indoor garden with added lightings. It turns an empty space to a vibrant feature.
I'm excited to explore the other living area. Shall we head to the kitchen?
Yes, let's go!
Let's go!
Welcome to the kitchen. So the dining area we often use for hosting. So I want to make it open, accessible, and also practical for daily usage. Yeah.
This kitchen really feels very wide and spacious. What were the changes in terms of layout?
We actually hacked down all the walls around the kitchen to achieve 2 main objectives. Firstly is to maintain visual and spatial flow with the dining area so that it allows conversation even across spaces. And secondly, it allows us to streamline the kitchen and the yard to accommodate both laundry and kitchen tasks, making it more efficient, especially useful in a home where both family and helper share this zone daily. Now with a cleaner layout and a wider walkway, daily movement feels more natural and less congested.
They're so smart, and with the extra space, you guys are able to incorporate a Peninsula. They can be used to prep and serve even casual meals.
Exactly. So we have this dining space, right, to give homeowners a private, like dining cozy space to have their simple meals.
I also noticed this glass dining panel is so thoughtfully added.
Yeah, so we have to zone the spaces between the dining and the kitchen area.
Yes, We wanted the whole bottom floor to feel like one connecting space, tying back to what the homeowners wanted. By opening up the flow and creating clear and subtle boundaries, we made it easier to entertain while still keeping the space functional day to day.
Living area feels so calm and open. I imagine this must be the family's main resting area. So how do you make this space feel so spacious?
Actually, this is one of my favorite area in the house. So what we wanted to do is make this place a cozy, relaxed corner that homeowner, when they relax, they don't feel cramped. So what we did was add some soft touches, like at the ceiling, at the aircon, at the beams, to make this place softer. And we also want to add some visual depth to this whole living space by leveling up the floor in the balcony. So the balcony and living room make it as a whole. On top of that, we also add in some storages, but it's only at the corner, front and back, so that it looks a lot neater.
I can actually feel the seamless transition between the living areas, and with all these curvages, it just makes this place feel so cozy. And I also heard that one of the key requirements of this family is this dedicated workspace because they have children who are still schooling. So what exactly is this study?
Yes, that's actually upstairs. Let me take you there.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the study room. So we actually converted one of the bedrooms to a clean, focused study space.
I heard that one of the kids is taking her PSLE this year. It seems like she'll be spending a lot of time in this room.
Unfortunately, yes. But we designed it in a way that it wouldn't feel too rigid or too overly office-like. And with all the natural light and good ventilation, it's actually a room that they can enjoy spending long hours in.
Definitely. But where do the kids sleep in? Where's the bedroom?
It's just beside the study room. I bet Lisa's already waiting.
Okay, let's go.
Coming to kids' bedroom, right, it's all about space maximization. Especially since this room is shared by 3 kids.
3 kids?
3 kids! Yes. We actually did up 3 built-in platform beds and wardrobes because they're all girls. They need to have a lot of clothes and make sure that the 3 of them can sleep together in this one bedroom.
That makes a lot of sense. I never imagined how reworking a door could completely change how space is used from day to day. It really shows how much thought went into making the home work for the family. So this is the master bedroom.
Yes, we wanted the master bedroom to feel calm, restful, but still practical. Instead of full height vanity, we went with a half height design to give homeowners a dedicated space for daily routines without closing off the room. Keeping it low lets the natural light and the airflow pass through so the space stays open and comfortable. Cove lighting along the ceiling edges adds soft ambient light, making it warm and relaxing at night.
And Tsai, thank you for bringing us through this beautiful home. Every space really feels intentional, and it's not just well designed, but I can see how it's really tailored to the lifestyle needs of the family.
Thanks, Rachel. Actually, it's not me, it's mostly Tsai. But thank you. What most important is for us to design up something that supports the lifestyle of the homeowners.
And you can really feel that throughout the home, from the subtle design touches to the layout tweaks to the built-ins that really make daily life smoother. If you enjoyed this home tour and want more thoughtful renovations like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you're interested in working with the interior affairs, then click the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye!